Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ghulam Hasib. I am running my study in Political Science Department, University of Rajshahi. Today I am going to share my first discussion and presentation on public opinion. So let's start our discussion. What is public opinion? Public opinion is a social product due to interaction of many minds. Maurice Ginsburg. Public opinion consists of the opinions held by public at a certain time. According to Kimball Young, yes, public opinion plays a vital role in the democratic system because on public opinion, the democratic system is established. Hindrance, which make the obstacles in the way of public opinion. Illiteracy. Uneducated nation never build up proper and sound public opinion system. And illiterate people also harmful for their nations and they have no able to develop their country by any means. Number two, partial parties and press. Sometimes many political parties try to play their minority in tyrannical way and praise biased against ruling countries. As a result, there have no conditions and situation to build up a public opinion properly. Absence of political consciousness. Without political consciousness or awareness, people have no ideas about their politics, about their conditions, and they are not possible to build up their vigorous opinions. Next, the wrong formation of political parties. In many states, there may some changes in political parties who are not built according to their political principles and economic principles. So it hinders deeply the public opinion formation. Next, defective education system. Education is the backbone of nation. So defective education never brings happiness and proper figure of public opinion. And the last one is poverty. Poor states have many obstacles to do develop and to build up their public opinions because they are not get their basic necessities. So public opinion building is not possible for their situation. In this slide, we see about the conditions which are essential to formation of public opinion properly. Number one, sound education system. I said that education system is the backbone of nation. Without proper and sound education system, there have no possibility to educate the people of their country. As a result, the whole citizens are not build up their right public opinion. Number two, independent press. Without independent press or neutral working of press, there have no chance to represent the real figure of public opinions. Number three, less poverty. A government must be do away with the whole poverty situation as much as possible from the country and ensure the basic necessities to the people. Political parties according to political principles. If political parties are not built up according to their political principles, they have a great chance to divide the nations and great chances to conflict. So political parties must be built up according to their political and economic principles also. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.